Hey everyone. If you want to boost your productivity using Chrome extensions in 2026, like saving time, staying organized, and working faster, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Chrome extensions for productivity. First, install productivity extensions from the Chrome Web Store inside Google Chrome. Choose tools like task managers, note-taking apps, and focus tools to improve workflow. Next, organize your toolbar properly. Pin only the important extensions so your browser stays clean and easy to use. Now use note-taking extensions. This helps you quickly save ideas, links, and important information while browsing. After that, block distractions using ad blockers or focus mode extensions. This helps you stay focused and avoid unnecessary interruptions. Next, manage your tabs with tab organizer extensions. This prevents overload and keeps your browsing structured. Now use automation extensions. Tools like autofill and workflow helpers can save a lot of time on repetitive tasks. Finally, make sure everything syncs across devices. This keeps your productivity setup consistent on all your devices. So yeah, that's how you use Chrome extensions for productivity in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll work faster, stay organized, and get more done every day. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!